What is your name?
My name is Anna.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. Where are you from?
I am from Azerbaijan. How old are you?
I am 25 years old. Where do you live?
I live in Baku. What do you do?
I am a student. Are you married?
No, I am single.
Do you have children?
No, I don't. What is your phone number?
My phone number is 123-456-789. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is tea. Do you like coffee? Do you like tea?
Yes, I do.
What time is it?
It is 7 o'clock.
What day is it today?
Today is Monday.
What is the weather like?
It is sunny.
Do you speak Russian?
Yes, I do. Are you free today?
Yes, I'm free today. What is your job?
I am a teacher. Where do you work?
I work in an office.
Do you like your job?
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 5 a.m.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What music do you like?
I like pop music. Do you watch TV?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Titanic. Do you play sports?
Yes, I do.
What sport do you play?
I play football.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I do. What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading. Do you read books?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter. Do you have a brother?
Yes, I do. Do you have a sister?
Yes, I do. How many brothers do you have?
I have one brother. How many sisters do you have?
I have one sister. Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I do. Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can you drive?
Can you cook?
Yes, I can. Do you like cooking?
No, I don't like cooking.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice and chicken.
What do you eat for dinner?
I eat soup. Do you like fruit?
Yes, I do.
What fruit do you like?
I like apples. Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer. Do you like winter?
Yes, I do. Do you like summer?
Yes, I do. Where do you study?
I study at university.
What do you study?
I study English. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I do.
What pet do you have?
I have a cat. What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I do.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to London. Do you use social media?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite app?
My favorite app is YouTube. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I do.
Where do you shop?
I shop at the mall. Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't. What do you do on weekends?
I relax at home. Do you like dancing?
Yes, I can.
Can you sing?
Yes, I can. Do you like English?
Yes, I do.
Why do you learn English?
I learn English for work.
Is English easy?
Yes, it is.
Do you have homework?
Yes, I do.
Do you like coffee shops?
Yes, I do.
Where do you meet your friends?
I meet them at a cafe. Do you like movies?
Yes, I do.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 6 p.m. Do you like your city?
Yes, I do.
Is your city big?
Yes, it is.
Is your city beautiful?
Yes, it is. Do you like reading English books?
Yes, I do.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I do.
Where do you exercise?
I exercise at home.
Do you like tea or coffee?
I like tea. What is your favorite number?
My favorite number is 7. What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is New Year. Do you like mornings?
Yes, I do. Do you like nights?
Yes, I do.
What do you do every day?
I go to work. Do you have internet at home?
Yes, I do.
Do you like your teacher?
Yes, I do.
Is English important?
Yes, I do.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I do.
How do you practice English?
I watch videos.
Do you like YouTube?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Are you tired?
No, I am not.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I do. Why do you learn English?
I learn English to travel. Great job. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which questions were your favorite. See you in the next video.